Everyone hoped we'd be past this by now, including me. But until more people get vaccinated, this is the reality we have to confront.
That was Governor Cooper today saying he wants more people to wear masks inside again, but he's not mandating it. Good evening, I'm Angela Taylor.
And I'm Rod Carter. COVID-19 cases are rising quickly, but he says that the state is in a different place than we were last time. Our Capitol reporter Michael Hyland is live in Raleigh for us tonight. Michael, he is going to require, though, that many state employees get vaccinated.
Right, and he thinks that's where the focus needs to be. He does want people to follow the CDC's new guidance on wearing masks inside, but ultimately he thinks it's vaccinations that are the way out of the pandemic. Masking up inside again, Governor Roy Cooper and Dr. Mandy Cohen stressed the urgency of getting vaccinated.
Don't wait until we run out of hospital beds.
The Delta variant has led to COVID-19 cases climbing quickly again.
This moment requires action. Our trends are accelerating at an alarmingly fast rate.
That action does not include a mandate to wear masks. Instead, Cooper is calling on people, even those who are fully vaccinated, to follow the new CDC guidance to wear masks inside in communities with substantial or high transmission. He wants everyone in schools wearing masks regardless of vaccination status. Some school boards have made them optional.
Look at where the numbers are in your county and think about the danger that students could face.
But Cooper isn't forcing them to change their policies. He says with vaccines widely available, the state is in a different place than when mandates were in place. However, he is requiring state employees and cabinet-level agencies to show they've been vaccinated. Otherwise, they have to be tested at least weekly and wear a mask. What consequences do employees face if they don't comply with this? Will they get fired?
Yeah, that's something to be determined. What we hope and believe is that this will encourage more people to get vaccinated.
Cooper hopes this also leads to more private businesses taking the same step. Perfect. That requirement for state employees, which affects about 50,000 of them, takes effect on September 1st. When I asked about the issue of requiring masks again, Cooper said ultimately he didn't want the debate over masks to overshadow the need to get vaccinated, which is what he is trying to stress, and says that's the important step that people need to take. Live in Raleigh, Michael Hyland, CBS 17 News.